So now we'll draw an object and see how it works practically. I have copied an object. I have downloaded an image from the net. You can click a picture on your own and you can paste it in Illustrator. So we'll press Ctrl V. So this is the picture. I'll press Z for zoom tool. Click and drag. Open the layers panel. We'll lock the layers panel so that the object doesn't move while drawing. But before that we need to do one thing. We want to lower the opacity of this layer. So we'll click on this circle, click to target, drag to move appearance. Okay, so we'll click on this circle and we'll select the opacity. We'll reduce the opacity to 70%. Press enter. Okay, now next step is we'll lock this layer. We'll take a new layer from here and again we'll take the zoom tool, click and drag to zoom in so that we can see the object clearly. Press P, click, click and then start drawing. But we do not want the fill, so we'll remove the fill. While drawing you can simply click on none, or before drawing only you can select the fill to none and you can take a stroke. Later on you can change the stroke color or the size of the stroke. So first we are going to make a rough drawing. So this is going to be a rough outline and then I'll show you how to make changes and how to edit. So suppose if you are a beginner, you can simply create a rough outline. I am showing this for beginners. So like this, and you can zoom in and see if the anchor points are connected. Okay, so Control minus to zoom out, Control plus to zoom in. Now we'll start drawing it perfectly. We'll press A, click, click. Okay, move it and see that it aligns properly. Spacebar, click, drag, click. Now see, here I want to make this line a bit smoother. So what I'll do is click. I want the handles over here. So what we'll do is press P, Alt, click, drag to bring the handles. Okay, Alt, click and drag. Again I'll press Alt key, click and drag to make it a corner. Press A, click, drag. So these handles will move individually without affecting each other's shape. So simply we'll put it like this. Next is we'll come to this particular point. P, Alt, click on the handle and drag. See, as soon as you move this, what happens? This shape is also getting distorted. So we will have to add another anchor point over here. So what we'll do is, pen is active, simply click. So one more anchor point is added. Press A, click, drag, click on this handle and then drag. I want to reduce the stroke size, so take selection tool, click and make it 0.25 so that we can see it more clearly. Press A, click, drag, click. so that we can be more precise. Click P, Alt, click and drag to get this shape. Press A, click, drag A because we wanted to select the handle. Click, drag, click, drag, press P, Alt, click, drag, Control minus A, click, drag, click, drag, press P, click A, click and drag, click, drag, click, drag. Now see, when we are trying to move this shape, the shape from here gets distorted. I'll press Ctrl Z twice because this shape was fine. So we'll select this anchor point. We'll press P, Alt, click, drag. So when we press Alt and click and drag, it will not affect the other side of the handle. Again we'll add some anchor points. Click, click, press A, click, drag, click, drag, click and drag. Again we'll press P, Alt, click, drag, A, click, drag, click and drag. Now here we want to add some more anchor points. Press P, click, 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 press A, click, press P, click, 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 click. Press A. Now we'll select the first anchor point, bring it here. Press P, click, press A, move it, click and drag, click, click and drag, click, click and drag, click, click, click and drag, 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 click and press P, Alt, click and drag, press P, Alt, click and drag, Alt, click and drag, press A, click and drag. So like this we have created this shape. Now we'll refine this shape also. P, Alt, click and drag, Alt, click and drag, press A, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click, drag, click, press P, Alt, click, drag, click, click, press A, press P, Alt, click, drag, click, press A, click and drag, press P, Alt, click and drag, press A, click and drag, click and drag, click, drag, click and drag, click, press P, Alt, click. See why we are pressing this P and Alt, click, drag? Because otherwise what will happen if we simply try to move this shape is also getting distorted. This side was perfectly done. This side was perfectly done. We want to edit only this one, so I'll press Ctrl Z. I want to move only this handle. I don't want to distort the shape over here. So what I'll do is P, Alt, click, drag and press A, bring this anchor point here, P, Alt, click and drag to show the handles, again Alt, click and drag. So press A and we'll take this handle, bring it here. So this is the basic outline done using pen tool. If you want, you can turn off the visibility of this layer. This is the outline done using pen tool. So hope you must have liked this video. If you like the video, do not forget to share, like, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for more such videos. Thanks for watching.